because when you enjoy what you're doing, you explore more and you do things that you also had not imagined while preparing.
Not just Bulbul. I think I was breaking a stereotype by doing this project because otherwise, normally people would just cast me in like a glamorous, urban, they stereotype you, basically typecast you as the kind of girl that you could probably play.
Hello everyone, welcome to peepingmoon.com. I'm Rashita Sahani, and today joining me for a super fun conversation are Naveen Kasturia and Ruhi Singh for their upcoming MX Players show, Runaway Lugai. Hi Ruhi, hi Naveen, how have you two been?
Hey, Rashita.
Hi.
Hi.
We've been good. We've
Okay.
been really, really good. Super excited that the show is coming out now.
Yeah, okay, great. And of course, going by the trailer, the show has all these elements of entertainment. It has politics, it has emotions, it has so many aspects attached to it. But what was that one thing that interested you the most and prompted you to pick this show up?
I was attracted to the character here, the character that was offered to me. I mean, you cannot really make out from the trailer right now that my character is actually a judge in a district court, and the
Okay.
way he was, giving out his judgments. That's a. I mean, I've never seen a judge acting like this. I mean, I've never met any judge in real life, but even in films, I've never seen people in court acting like this. So I found it quite amusing, and I love the narration of the first episode. I remember it happened at the producer's office, Arav's office. So I think the character was uh, something which I found most interesting. My character, also the name Rajnikant Sinha. So yeah,
Rajni, yeah.
yeah.
Okay, great. Ruhi, what was it for you?
I think the first thing was the cast in the show. We have Sanjay Mishra, Naveen Kasturia, we've got Ravi Kishan, we've got Pankaj Jha. The whole cast is beautiful and they're all great actors. So it was an opportunity for me to be sharing screen space with all of these amazing actors. The story is really, really good. I love comedy, and Sanjay Mishra sir, who doesn't love his comedy? So it is remarkable. And of course, my character Bulbul, she's a really strong uh, female lead. So it's something that always attracts me when I get to play a strong you know and a strong character. Also, Bulbul, the way they've written the entire script, the way they've written all of the characters, there's lots of layers, there's lots going on. So all in all, it's a great project to be a part of.
I'm sure. And how much of the show is about breaking stereotypes? Because Ruhi, I read a quote of yours where you talked about your character doing that part. So, overall in the show, how much will we see?
Everything about the show is breaking stereotypes. I think Bulbul's character for sure, because in this world somewhere, like this girl who belongs to Patna, and she studied there and whatever, she has her dreams, and how in society a lot of times you are made to do things that probably you wouldn't want to do, and how she
Hmm.
breaks those barriers and what she really chooses for herself, how she takes her own decisions in a man's world. So that is something that's definitely breaking stereotypes. It's not just Bulbul. I think I was breaking a stereotype by doing this project because otherwise normally people would just cast me in like a glamorous, urban, they stereotype you, basically typecast you as the kind of girl that you could probably play. So it was really refreshing for me to play this, which is uh, uh, something that I've not done before. So it's not just Bulbul. I feel everyone, even Rajni, Naveen's character is a very different character. Like he said, he's never met someone who actually does what Rajni does. So Rajni has lots of layers too. There's stuff that he's going through internally. Why does he behave the way he does? Was it something in the past? Was it like that's how he's been brought up and how he breaks through that? And it's his journey also. Then Sanjay Mishra sir. So every character is basically breaking stereotypes according to me.
Oh yeah, I agree with what Ruhi said. I was also very happy to, I mean, since I had not done anything of this sort, and I wanted to break stereotype in the sense that I like people also imagine me in a in a certain way. They most of the times when they have to cast me, they generally cannot really see a badmash ladka in me sometimes,
Yeah.
And I think the guy I'm playing in the show, he's a Seedha guy, but he's also a little, you know, like he exudes his power. He shows people that he is a politician's son, and he tries to, exploit it. In real life, he is a little submissive. That's also
Mhm.
breaking a stereotype. Like with his wife, the kind of relationship he shares with his wife and his father. So yeah, I agree with what we said.
Okay. And of course, how was it working with Sanjay Mishra? We have seen him in so many films and shows, of course, and he has been an acclaimed actor. So anything that you could, inculcate from him, acting wise or skill wise?
A lot of things actually. When I came on board, I mean, not came on board, when the script came to me, they were still talking to Sanjay sir. So Sanjay sir was still
Okay.
not locked. Had I known that he would be part of it, I probably wouldn't have even uh, given a second thought to the script, because I've worked with him before, and I shared a rapport with him. So I was very excited to work with him, and on the set. But in my previous projects, I never really spent this much time with him. This
Okay.
this 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 time it was more intimate. Like he is playing my
Mhm.
father, and we got the chance to spend uh, almost 30 days. I mean, out of 35, 37 days that I shot for the show, I shot with Sanjay sir on almost 30 days. So, and he's one guy who enjoys acting a lot. Uh, he doesn't really like, maybe because he's done it so much, he
Hmm.
doesn't like. I am still very conscious about things that I'm doing. I think a lot. I try to prepare also a lot. But Sanjay sir is like, I think he's someone who's been here for so long, and he is there in front of the camera, and he just enjoys. And that's something which I would like to imbibe in myself, because because when you enjoy what you're doing, you explore more, and you do things that you also had not imagined while preparing. So
Yeah.
yeah.
So Sanjay Mishra sir is a school in acting, and for me, one of the top reasons I decided to do this project was Sanjay Mishra sir, because I've just been such a big fan since forever. And in fact, so much so that when I went there, I deliberately requested the production to give me the van next to him. So we actually shared a vanity van.
Oh.
And throughout, he called me Chirkut. So he named me that because I was following him around throughout. And I was like, sir, I'm here. I do not know this dialect. I've never been to this state. I want to do this character with full honesty. I want to give it my best. Please teach me. Teach me nuances, teach me everything. And even if I could inculcate 10% of what Sanjay Mishra is, I think it would be an award in itself because he's that phenomenal. So spending time with him, opened my eyes not just to acting and the various the school of acting that he is, but also how he lives his life. I think it's a very simple way of living. He really enjoys himself. He thoroughly enjoys these activities that we normally take for granted, like food, eating, just talking to people. And sitting next to him, you cannot have a bad mood. So if you're upset, if you're around Sanjay Mishra, you can't be upset. You will be happy. He'll make sure he just lights up the atmosphere, and I think that's great. So much positive energy from him, and I'm truly grateful to God that I got this opportunity to spend time with him.
Okay, that's excellent. And on the web platform today, we see there are so many shows and so much variety of content that the audience, can choose to watch from. So why do you think that, your show Runway Lagai, it's going to uh, be on the watch list of the audience? What is that one, unique part of it that you feel is going to work the most?
I cannot. It's very tough to pinpoint one point, and there cannot be
Okay.
one reason for people to watch the show. I mean, the script is made up of some thousands of ideas, But I think the genre it's comedy. It's light comedy. It's a family film, and I think right now people are stuck in their homes, and they're living with people, and
Yeah.
I think it's because it doesn't have any galis and violence, and I think it becomes a family watch, which I think is an attractive feature, at least during the lockdown for almost everyone. Yeah.
Yes, like Naveen rightly said, the fact that it's a family watch, that is something that will be that will be attractive to for people who are looking for content, entertaining content, but then they don't want to have moments when they switch the TV off, or they shy away. They want to sit properly, watch with the entire family, have some popcorn, and uh, when people are staying home these days, they want entertaining stuff out there. So I think our show ticks that aspect of it. You can watch it very comfortably with your family. It's going to be a laugh riot. You have amazing actors. You've got this cast. I mean, just watch it for the cast. You want to watch Sanjay Mishra in action. The way he breathes, the way he says his dialogues, the way he is, I mean, I think that in itself is reason enough for you to watch the show. Of course, we are a part of it as well, and we have all worked really, really hard. It's comedy, it's light-hearted. Hopefully, it makes you feel better, while you're watching the show. Yeah, so it's that, and like,
I think
it's very
it's his first
relatable.
web show, right? It's Sanjay Sir's first web show. I mean, he's first time coming on the web, I guess. No,
I don't know.
No,
I don't think he's
he
done
has
a web
done
show
before.
before. Has he?
He has. I think last year a show of his released. I'm not very sure about that.
Kamyab, the movie released.
Kamyab was a
But
feature film.
it's a
the film.
film. Yeah, it's a
There was
film.
another feature film which came on, I think, Hotstar or something. But I don't
Yeah.
know if he
But
has
I don't
done,
think web show he has done.
I don't think he's done
He
a
has
web
done
show.
web films.
Oh my
Yeah.
god,
films.
that's a great
It's-
selling point.
Yeah, I think it's Sanjay Sir's first web show.
Yeah, so
I mean, he's done films which eventually released on web because of the
Web.
theater issues. You never know; those films might have come in theaters also.
yeah.
Had things been better, but yeah.
Yeah.
But web show
Yeah.
तो यही आता.
So
Yeah.
it's his web show debut then. Yeah.
I think so.
Okay, that's
जब शूट कर रहे थे
fantastic.
तब तो उनका फर्स्ट वेब शो था यार. अब पता नहीं बीच में कुछ और ना आ गया हो.
I don't think so. That's great. And do you also, as someone who has worked in the web space, do you feel that this entire OTT space, it's like a godsend for talented actors? Now everyone who has the talent to act, write, direct is getting a chance.
I think a lot of people who are not talented, they're also getting a chance to do this. So it is providing a lot of employment. Yeah, that is for
Everyone's
sure.
getting a chance.
Yeah. A lot of people, which is a good thing for everyone. I
Yeah.
mean, it has become a proper profession now. If someone in a middle class house says that, Papa, I want to be an actor, there are lots of avenues, actually.
Yeah.
So, which is a great thing. So, it is a boon for new actors. I mean, yeah,
Okay.
and writers and directors.
Yeah. Ruhi, would you want to add to that?
Yeah, I totally second that. I mean, everybody is getting a chance, and there's so much work out there. And everyone has their own kind of audience. There are people who want to watch all kinds of work. So there are some people who just want to watch masala. They want to watch that action. They want to watch that kind of whatever they want to watch. There are people who want to watch serious stuff. There are people who want to watch Naveen's kind of work, which is it's very sensible and that kind.
I don't have a type. Okay, I think Runaway Lugai is very different from Aspirants. Okay.
No, but how you don't like?
Yeah.
Actually, but what? Okay, so like before he breaks this stereotype, I mean I'm so impressed, Naveen, because after a conversation yesterday, I went and asked a lot of people about Aspirants, and since then I'm super impressed. So
thank you.
yeah, so I think this is a platform for everybody, and everyone has an audience, and there's loads of work now. And like how Naveen said, it's not a far-fetched dream anymore. Hi mom, I want to be an actress. They're like, really? So now it's not that. So they'll be like, okay, fine, there's a process to it. You can go to Bombay, you can give auditions, and you will probably get some work or the other. That's guaranteed.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
I mean, in fact, because of the
Definitely.
web thing, there are a lot of people who live in Delhi, and now they don't have to come to Bombay to be an actor.
Yeah.
They can, pursue this profession, and they don't have to switch cities. I think Ruhi, I don't think we had this option.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We didn't have this option.
Yeah.
Okay. Completely agreed. And Ruhi, you yourself have been a part of some unique scripts. Even this one, your character is pretty unique. So, what is that foremost thing, the most important thing that you want when you select a script?
The script.
Oh, the script. Okay.
So that is literally the most important thing now for me, because I'm understanding how the business, when I, there's no one really teaching me anything. So now I've learned that the most important part is the script. The story is important. That is the story. The script is God. Secondly, I see my character. What contribution am I making to the story? So that's also really important to me. Because I'm here purely for my passion for acting. I'm here purely because I enjoy doing what I do. So I want to be able to do satisfying work, gratifying work, where I'm getting to, acha chalo. But at the end of the day, I'm like, okay, I've worked. I've not just done nothing. So that my role, my character is definitely important. The cast is very important. Who am I? So some roles, some projects like this one, the cast was super important, because that was the first thing that was told to me. They were like, okay, isme ye hai, isme Naveen hai, isme Sanjay Mishra hai. I said, yes, I don't want to hear anything more. Say no more, So it was that kind of situation. So it depends from project to project, but script is the most important for me.
Okay, fantastic. And Naveen, if I don't ask this to you, your fans will hate me. I just have to. So your show Aspirants, it came, and I think it broke records, and it went on to become one of the most watched shows. So you tell me, firstly, that did you expect such a massive and great response of everyone, the critics, the audience, everyone? And secondly, when is the part 2 coming?
I know. I don't. I mean, there were people who were working with me who anticipated success, and I don't know this kind of success. But I don't really. I'm not a very, when I'm working on something, I don't really think much about the outcome of the show. I always felt that we are creating something which is something interesting. It was looking nice when we were shooting.
Definitely.
I think actors were very good, and on paper also it was quite nice. But you cannot anticipate something like this, that people are going to get crazy about every small little thing about the show. So that was never imagined. And part 2, I don't know. I mean, yeah, I mean, it should happen. I think the
Of
show
course,
is done
yeah.
well, and they have also not completed the story. So,
Yeah.
so it should happen. Let's see. Kab hota hai.
Naveen, you know what? I've heard so much about Aspirants. If you're doing a part
I got
2
it. मैं
and
समझ
you're
गया
adding
रोहित.
characters, who to call.
Yeah, रोहित. मैं
I'm breaking
समझ गया.
stereotypes here.
Yeah,
So please.
yeah.
Yeah. We would love to see both of you together again, maybe in Aspirants too.
Yeah,
Oh my
and I broke
God,
up.
yes.
I broke up in the show,
Yeah.
Oh, so there's that space open.
Yeah,
Naveen?
I mean that's. I mean, I don't even have to say that. That's go without saying. If I have acted in a show, the girl is going to leave me. So, yeah.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Let's change that in season 2.
Yeah.
फिर मैं शादी के बाद वापस भागूंगी like runaway लुगाई. Let's at least get to that point.
Yeah.
Okay. That's great. Okay. Thank you so much, Naveen and Ruhi, for chatting with me. All the very best for your show.
Thank
so
you.
much. Thank you so much.